let us ask Mayor Tumang to enlighten us kung ano pong nangyari dito because I believe dumadaan sa munisipyo lahat ng transfer ng property. Mayor Tumang, please.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mayor Tumang, when was your first assumption of office as Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga?
2004 po, Your Honor.
2004. As far as you can recall, Mayor Tumang, kailan po ba nag-umpisang mag-acquire ng property si Empire 999?
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam yung exact year, but approximately po 2000, yung nakabalik po akong mayor, 2017.
2017. Mayor Tumang, do you personally know Willie Ong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Do you personally know ADT Yang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
But
Mr. Chairman,
would
with the indulgence of the Honorable Luistro.
Yeah, okay, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mayor Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
for the information of everyone, ito kasi pong question of the drugs and the acquisition of properties ng mga foreign national form part of my reso dun sa public accounts. Kasi public accounts na lang pinagsimulan nito na it was forwarded to this Quadcom. But the issue about some properties, transactions of Mayor Tumang, in which, ilang beses ka naman na-dismiss, Mayor? Ilang beses ka na na-dismiss? Yung dismissal order mo? Ilan?
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Once ka lang na-dismiss?
Yes po,
alam ko
Your-
dalawa. Are you telling the truth? Mayor Tumang, ganito lang po, I just want to warn you. You're under oath once again in this Quadcom hearing and you're being asked by Congresswoman Luistro. Please, don't lie.
Your Honor, yung pong yung previous po na reverse po yun.
And then,
Yung
okay.
2022. And then po, 2023, last August po, yun po yung last ko pong dismissal.
Under appeal.
Yes po, pending appeal po.
Pending appeal. Now, Mayora, ganito lang po, you're being asked if kilala mo si Eddie Yang, kilala mo si Tuma, kilala mo si Billy Ong. I just want to tell you, we have already discussed it in the Committee on Public Accounts. And please answer the query of the members of this committee truthfully, or else I will show you the proof.
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
if you're lying, I will cite you in contempt once again, Mayor Tumang. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mayor Tumang, ulitin ko po yung tanong. Do you personally know Willie Ong?
Your Honor, hindi ko po personally kakilala si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Pumunta po sa munisipyo, doon ko lang po sila nakilala dahil nag-inquire na bibili po silang lupa.
With your statement, Mayor Tumang, it appears that you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Because when you said they came to your office, approached you, and told you that they are going to buy lands,
Doon ko
then
lang
it
po-
means that you were able to personally
Yes po.
meet with these two individuals. Tama po ba?
Yes po, namit ko po sila sa munisipyo.
In
po,
other
Your Honor.
words, you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Are you aware that
Chairman, once again, Mr. Chairman, this will be the last. Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. Let me finish. Please don't answer. Don't talk unless you are recognized by the chairman. Mayor Tumang, sinabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Billy Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Si Eddie Yang, hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo, Nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang? Oh, now, eto Mayor Tumang, nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon sa China?
Yes po,
At
Your Honor.
kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your
Oh,
Honor.
now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying.
Hindi.
Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo abroad.
Ah,
You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon, di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, pasensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po. You're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyong
Mr. Chairman, the question is very simple.
Just a 1-minute suspension. The parliamentary status is that before the chair declared the suspension, there was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang. And let me finish first. And the former mayor has asked the committee to listen to his explanation. And in the spirit of fairness, we'd like to hear former mayor explain also his side. And perhaps he may be able to answer the queries asked by the members of the committee. So, Mayor Tumang, para po maliwanag, ang tanong po sa inyo kung kakilala nyo po si Eddie Yang. Ang sabi nyo po kanina, hindi. Yung pangalawang tanong, tinanong po kayo, ilang beses po ba kayo nagkita, nagkasama, nagkausap ni Mr. Eddie Yang? Ang sinabi nyo, isang beses lamang po sa munisipyo. Pero meron pong impormasyon na nagsasabi na magkasama pa ho kayo sa China.
Pictures.
At this is supported by photos. So, bibigyan po namin kayo ng pagkakataon na sumagot doon sa katanungan ng aming mga kasamahan. Para naman po, hindi naman po kayo hindi mapagbigyan. No? Ano po ang inyong sagot sa katanungan ni Congressman Paduano at ni Congresswoman Luistro?
Thank you po, Your Honor. Hindi ko na lang po sinabing once ko lang po nakita namit si Willie Ong. Si Willie Ong po twice sa munisipyo po. Si Eddie Yang po, so many times. Pero yung first namit ko po si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang sa munisipyo po. And then, pagkatapos po noon, marami na pong series na nakita na po kami ni Eddie Yang dahil bumili po sila ng lupa. Hanggang pumunta po kami ng China, in-invite po kami doon. Doon po lang po nakilala si Eddie Yang. Ang pinupunto ko po, hindi ko po personal nakakilala po. Namit ko lang po sila sa munisipyo. Pero so many times po nakilala ko na sina Eddie Yang. Pero si Willie Ong po, twice lang po.
Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Ito kasi yung problema, alam ko na, sinabi ko na kanina, Mayor, pinagdaanan na to natin Dalawang committee, dangerous drugs at saka yung Mexico. But sabi ko nga, kaya kayo inibitahan dito, including your brother and all those research person, from Mexico, Pampanga, because there is a resolution by me na yung drugs, no? Yung drugs at saka illegal acquisition of properties of Chinese national will be forwarded to this committee. Kaya hindi ka Mayor, ganito kasing style mo eh. Pag tinanong ka ng isa, sabihin mo, sinabi mo kanina, hindi mo personal kilala. Sabi mo sa munisipyo, now when I ask you, yung China travel, inamin mo. Now, dinagdagan mo ngayon na several times because on record during the committee hearing, you know personally Willie Tayang and Willie Ong. Mamaya papakita ko sa iyo. Papakita ko sa iyo na magkakilala kayo ni Willie Ong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang style mo kasi, Mayor Tumang, sorry, pero ang style mo, bulok. Alam ko na yon. Pag tinanong ko isang tanong, sasagutin mo. Pag tinanong ko isa, sasagutin ko. Sasagutin mo, better you were asked if you knew personally Willie Ong and Edith Tayang. That's why pinakontempt kita. Because you lied. Dito sa harap ng mga resource persons, di ba he's lying? Sabi niya kanina, hindi niya kilala personal. Sa munisipyo lang. Ngayon, sinabi mo na ngayon, kilala mo si Ediang, you met several times. Twice lang kayo ni Willie Ong. But I will establish to you that you have transactions with Willie Ong. And you will not make transactions with a certain person, especially kung hindi mo siya kilala. And you're lying. Hindi pa tayo umabot doon sa proof ko. Kaya, Mr. Chairman, sabi ko nga naglulukuhan pa tayo dito. Alam mo na, kabisado na namin to. Nako, Mayor.
Bigyan natin ng
With that, Mr. Chairman, my motion to cite in contempt, I've already cited the violation. Unless there will be a second or members of this committee will vote in the negative.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Nandito, nakikinig ng mga resource person.
Hindi po ako
I
nagsisinungaling.
challenge resource persons present in today's hearing kung totoo ba na nagsinungaling siya o hindi. Alam ko na kasi, Mayor, yung sasagot mo. Ilang beses na po tayo nagkita sa mga hearings. Kaya nga na-contempt ka rin nung nakaraan, di ba?
Yung mga sagot ko po, pare-pares lang po, Your Honor.
Anong parehas? You're lying to your teeth.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, anyway, sabi niya, it still stand, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Once again, Mr. Chairman, I just like to manifest once again that my motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang still stands. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
Okay,
Chairman, I second.
Yeah, there is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang. And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po
Are
ako
there-
nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order. Point of order.
So I will reiterate the motion. There was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this was duly seconded by Congressman Akop. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Former Mayor Tumang is now cited in contempt. And we'd like to ask the Sergeant at Arms to please assist and escort former Mayor Tumang. Are there any other motions that you'd like to? Okay. So, any other motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Akop.
before I file or I move for the second motion, please allow me to explain why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Caraps Paduano.
Please proceed. You have 3 minutes, Congressman Akop.
Thank you. Ako po ay membro ng Committee on Public Accounts, Vice Chairman ng Committee on Dangerous Drugs, kaya alam ko po yung istorya na sinasabi ni Honorable Paduano. Why? Kasi religiously, nag-attend po ako ng mga hearings ng public accounts at saka kwan. Mayor Tomang, kung ano po yung style ninyo doon sa committee hearings, ganun po rin yung ginagawa nyo rito eh. Kung hindi ka nako-confront ng mga ebidensya na hawak ni Chairman Paduano, hindi mo inaamin. Inaamin mo lang pagkatapos na ma-confront ka na may mga ebidensya siya. Do not try to fool the members of this committee. Iisa lang po yung utak po ninyo eh. Napakaraming utak nandito na pinakikinggan ka at saka inobserbahan. Kilala ka na namin talaga eh. Di ba? Kung hindi sinabi ni Honorable Paduano na meron siyang pruweba na pumunta kayo sa China kasama itong mga taong ito, hindi mo aaminin. Kasi ganun din ang ginawa mo dun sa Committee on Public Accounts. Nandun ako. That is precisely the reason why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Paduano, Mr. Chair. Kasi alam ko rin na nagsisinungaling siya. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Yes,
Chair.
Congressman Fernandez.
and I would like also to manifest that I'm also a member of the public accounts. As a matter of fact, lagi natin sinasabi to that dangerous drugs, public accounts, yung sa human rights, and my committee, we're all together. Umiikot kami sa mga issues regarding dyan sa issue ng kay Mayor Tumang, issue ng different committees. And we know, Mayor Tumang, yung mga ginawa mong pagsisinungaling ngayon. Actually, kanina, nakikinig lamang kami. Akala namin, nasasabihin mo yung mga totoo. When you were mentioning about yung hindi mo kilala, medyo parang nagkatingin na kami dito. Parang may saliwa itong sinasabi. It's hard, no? Sana wag po kayo magpaawa, no? Dahil hindi kami maaawa sa inyo, dahil hindi po kayo nagsasabi ng totoo.
Your Honor,
But of course, let me finish. We'll be giving you a chance. Doon, pinag-usapan na po natin to ng mga maraming hearings sa public accounts. And we have a lot of evidences showing you yung pinakita namin mga pictures and even manifested by the different resource persons. And now, babaguhin ninyo inyong statement? And that's the reason why hindi ko na po matiis. Kanina, I was trying to ask Chairman Paduano to reconsider and to withdraw and give you another chance. Pero still, you're trying to lie dito sa committee ito. We elevated your issue on this Quadcom para sabihin mo yung mga sinabi mo doon at i-manifest mo dito. But unfortunately, hindi mo po ginagawa. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, salamat, Congressman Fernandez. So, before we took a short break, the Chair recognized Congresswoman Luistro, and at the moment, she still has the floor. So you can proceed now, Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, I
Chair.
believe that they still have a pending motion.
Okay, so if there's
They're about to move.
if there is another motion, the Chair would like to hear the motion. Congressman Akop?
Mr. Chair, since former Mayor Tumang was cited in contempt by this committee, may I move that former Mayor Tumang be meted the penalty of being confined dito po sa premises of the House for the period until the committee report of this Quad Committee is finished. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain
Second.
former Mayor Tumang in the House detention facility until the committee terminates its hearing on the issue of drugs, and Pogo. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. So, Comsec, please coordinate with the Sergeant at Arms in order to escort.
Sir,
Oh,
I will continue with my interpellation.
yeah, Mayor Tumang, sandali lang po. I'm sorry, I'm a bit, pwede po bang, so, there's still questions that will be asked by Congresswoman Luistro. So, mari po bang umupo ho muna kayo, Mayor Tumang, nang sa ganun mapagpatuloy yung pagtatanong ni Congresswoman Luistro. Congresswoman Luistro, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair, Mayor Tumang, kailan po yung una kayong pinuntahan sa munisipyo ni Willie Ong at ni ADT Yang?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your Honor.
At least the approximate year, Mayor Tumang?
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam. Tignan ko po sa documents na sa pag-purchase po ng lupa.
You cannot give even the approximate year or at least your term? Yan po ba ay during your first term, second term, or third term? I think if you will make reference about your term in office, you'll be able to come up with an approximate year.
Probably po, siguro po second term.
And if it is second term, kailan po ba yung second term nyo? Is it 2019 or 2016? Mahirap po bang tandaan yung term?
2020 po, siguro.
2020. So,
I'm not sure po.
sometime in 2020. Mayor, ito pong pagpunta nyo sa Fujian, China, kung saan nakasama nyo si ADT Yang, as shared to us by Chairman Paduano, kailan po ito? Is it during your first term
Hindi
or
ko na-
second term?
Siguro po first term.
First term. Paano po mangyayaring first term yon? Eh kung yung first time na pinuntahan kayo sa munisipyo is 2020, second term, ibig sabihin hindi nyo pa kilala.
Si Willie Ong po yung 2020.
Willie Ong first visited you in the Municipal Hall 2020.
Yes po, si AD Ang po yung kasama namin pumunta po ng China.
First term. So this is 2016 to 2019.
Siguro po 2018 ganun.
2018.
17 or 18.
When did you actually met for the first time ADT Yang? Kailan niyo po siya unang nakilala?
Approximately po siguro to 2018 or 2017 po ganun.
2017. Bago po kayo nagpunta ng Fujian, China, along with ADT Yang and the other Chinese nationals, where you executed a contract with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, ilang beses nyo na po na-meet at nakausap si ADT Yang?
Bago po pumunta po ng China,
Yes, Mayor.
marami na pong beses po, Your Honor.
Marami na pong beses. So, this goes to say na talagang you personally know ADT Yang. Ilang beses po? Approximate number, Mayor.
Hindi ko po maalala po.
The reason why I am asking this question, Mayor Tumang, because I find it strange na sasama kayo sa Fujian, China, along with the Chinese nationals, if you do not personally know and you do not personally trust ADT Yang. Gaano nyo po kakilala si ADT Yang para sumama kayo sa Fujian, China, where you executed a contract with Zhangzhou, with Mayor Wang of Zhangzhou, Fujian?
In-invite po kami, hindi lang po ako kasama po yung mga konsyal nun. Tama pa po yung former Vice Mayor po, si Jonathan Pangan.
I understand, Mayor. Can you please enlighten us? What is this two countries twin park project all about?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano po itong two countries twin park project which you executed with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, when you were with ADT Yang?
Wala pong, hindi ko po makuha yung, wala po kaming project na, nin-invite lang po kami doon, pinakita po yung waste to energy.
Ano po yon, Mayor?
In-invite po kami doon para pakita lang po yung waste to energy.
What was shown to you is a waste to energy
Yes po, Your Honor.
project.
Yes po, Your
But
Honor.
you belie having executed this two countries twin park project. Ganun po ba?
Wala po akong, in-invite po kami doon dahil gusto po nilang mag-invest ng waste to energy doon po sa Mexico. Kaya
Sa Mexico, Pampanga.
pinakita po sa amin yung waste to energy doon sa China po.
Okay. So, natuloy po ba itong waste to energy project sa Mexico, Pampanga?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Natuloy po ba itong waste to energy
Hindi
project
po, Your
in
Honor.
Mexico, Pampanga?
Hindi po,
So,
Your Honor.
ibig sabihin po, yung pagkabisita nyo sa Fujian, China, it did not materialize to any project in Mexico, Pampanga? Is that what you wanted to say?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Wala pong nag-materialize. But since the reason why you visited Fujian, China is because of the invitation of ADT Yang, can you please enlighten us more? Ano ho ba yung sinasabi niyong maraming beses nyo na siyang na-meet at nakasama? Even before this trip to Zhangzhou, Fujian.
Nung pong nagtatanong silang mga binibili nilang lupa. Yun lang.
Like how many times were you able to meet with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na
Hindi
po
ko po
sila
ma-recall,
nakita?
Your Honor.
Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayang mag-elaborate po ng mga question ninyo. Your Honor, masaba na po yung pakiramdam ko.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not feeling well.
Okay, may we ask the House Doctor to please check on 1 minute suspension. Pakibigyan nyo nga ng tubig muna si Mayor. Do we have a nurse? Andito yung nurse kanina eh. Andyan na, no? Nakakain na po ba kayo, Mayor?